Hi guys! So, may sinulat lang ako dito. Yung spirit para makuha ko yung spirit name ko. So, 2. Wait lang. Sulat ko lang yung 2. Only 2. Here. Favorite color. So, ang una is yung unang name nyo. Sa akin, Mary. So, M-A-R-Y. Yan. Tapos, yung zodiac sign ko is Aries. Aries. So, bali April. Next, yung favorite nyo pet. Para sa akin, panda. Tapos, yung favorite nyo color, para sa akin, pink. O kaya pa din nyo naman ilagay yung color ng mata nyo, pero piliin ko lang color. So, pink na lang. Tapos, kunyari, parang gato, yung sa akin kasi 2 pala. 2. Diba? Ang birthday ko sa April 2. So, kaya Aries, diba? Kaya April. Anong number? Dito, kaya sinulat ko sa baba. Kuhain natin. First letter of your name. Okay, bibilugat ko. 2 letter of your zodiac sign. So, balik. This. And now, pang 3 naman. Yung favorite yung pet niya. So, panda sa akin. So, and Sweden.
Oh, the trailers disconnected.
Just
trailers.
So, letter D. 1, 2, 2. Nagkamali lang ako guys ha, hindi letter N na. So, ang panghuli is pink.
Can I try myself?
And now,
Can I place? Wait,
so, anuhin ko na.
I want to try the friction power thing. Yay! What, Marcel? Yeah, 2 red bigger rocks.
Spirit name ko. Ulitin na. Hindi ko na-gets. Ni girl.
2 blue pickup rocks.
Mary.
2 green pickup rocks. Yellow.
May una.
2 yellow pickup rocks. 8 pick. Yeah.
Tapos, itang guys ha. Hindi ko kasi matandaan.
Hey.
Panday sa akin.
Very nice, so. Red. Blue.
Color ng icon na lang.
Green.
So, bali black.
Yellow. Oh, now let's count. Yeah, blue. 1, 2,
Black.
3,
Black.
4,
Black.
5, 6, 7,
May
8.
isa.
8 pickup rocks.
So, bali 2.
Mark's
Two.
playing, no? Okay, mommy, what's next?
Yan.
2 sports cars. Sports cars this time. Okay, go on, unbox. Okay, it's unboxed. Sports cars, Marcel. Different colors. Ooh, American Eagle.
So, ating nakuha ko.
Yay, an American Eagle, oh. American flag. Ayan, oh, mami, oh. American flag. American Eagle. And then on the top, too. Oopsie.
Kung maintindihan yung spirit name ko.
So, semi-holler truck.
Nakasulat is
Oh, this is friction power too, Marcel.
R-N-A-O. Lamp. Basta gawin nyo lang yung ginawa ko. Guys ha. Yun lang. Bye-bye.